Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Digital Nomad Ventures. I'm coming to you from Penang, Malaysia on a rainy day. And I arrived here yesterday afternoon from Bangkok. This is the first country that I've visited outside Thailand for almost 3 years during the pandemic. And I specifically chose Malaysia because, number one, the flights were very cheap from Bangkok. And number two, it's relatively close to Thailand. I'm most likely just going to take a bus back to Surat Thani and then a ferry to Koh Samui. So I specifically came to Penang to do a visa run. I'm switching over to my non-B visa, which I can then convert into a work permit. So this is really important. It's something that I've been wanting to get taken care of for a long time now. My smart visa expired and I had to cancel it at the BOI in Bangkok. And then I had to leave before November 9th because that's when my visa was up. So I chose to come to Penang, and in today's video I'm just going to be taking you on a short walking tour once it stops raining. And I'm going over to a place, it's called Jim's Place, which is recommended by a friend of mine. Apparently this is one of the best places to get the visa matters taken care of. And then either Monday or Tuesday, depending on whether Monday is a holiday, a Thai holiday, we're going to go to the Royal Thai Consulate Embassy here in Penang and get the stamp. Hopefully it doesn't take more than about a day or two because I honestly am looking forward to getting out of here and going back to Thailand, my home in Koh Samui. So enjoy this video. I'm just going to wait for it to stop raining and then we're headed over to Jim's Place to check it out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. This is the cheap hostel that I'm staying at. It's called the Heritage Old House, right here in Georgetown, which is kind of a popular area on the island. And they also have a dim sum restaurant right next to the hostel. So I just stopped in here to get some food earlier. Very affordable. Hello, YouTube. And I'm just gonna wait for it to stop raining and then head this direction to Jim's Place. So Georgetown's a pretty cool area. It doesn't really get lively until after 6 p.m. because it's a Muslim country. So most places are closed right now. An umbrella would definitely be a good idea, like these people. Maybe I could get one from the hostel. Let's see. Seems to be raining a lot here the past day, but it should let up any minute now. Okay, so it appears as if the rain has stopped for the most part, and now it's sunny again. So the weather's a little bit weird here, but let's continue to Jim's Place. Oh, I forgot my backpack. I need my backpack with all the documents. Let me just run back and get my backpack. For some reason there's a painting of Napoleon Bonaparte on the wall. I have no idea why. Okay, so it should just be straight ahead. Not too far from here. You can get to see Penang a little bit. It's, I think it's the largest island in Malaysia, although I could be wrong. Not entirely sure. And very close to Langkawi as well, which is up north. I was considering going to Langkawi, but the flights were quite a bit more expensive, so I chose Penang. And to be honest, I don't really like the place that much, but I'm only going to be here a few days, so not a big deal. This is the Georgetown area. There's a lot of guest houses and hotels around here, and also noodle shops as well. And the streets are pretty nice. It doesn't really get lively until about 6 p.m. and it's currently 2 o'clock. So still got like another 4 hours before the shops open up for whatever reason. I think it's because it's a Muslim country, but I could be wrong. Again, I haven't really done my research yet. I'm really just here to do the visa run and then get back to Thailand ASAP. This should be the bar I was at last night with a few friends. They're also visiting Penang to do the visa run. But this does not look familiar. I think it's the next right, actually. Across the street. Yeah, it should be straight up ahead. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. And this is the bar that I was at last night. So it should just be right around the corner. But as you can see, Penang is a pretty nice place, especially in Georgetown area. I haven't really seen much outside of here, except for the taxi ride from the airport. Okay, here's the bar. It's called Rockefeller's. Oh, that's actually a different one, so I have to go left here. Oh, still getting familiar with the area. Oh. And pedestrians obviously do not have the right-of-way here. Okay. Okay, we should be getting close now to Jim's place. These gutters seem quite dangerous. You could easily fall in here if you're drunk or something. Doesn't seem ideal. And as you can see, the flag looks very similar to the US flag, except a different emblem on it. Hello? Not seeing it though. Where is this place? Okay, so I just arrived at Jim's place right here. He's a visa agent and does other things as well, but unfortunately the office is closed right now. So I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow, which is Monday, and hopefully we can get it all sorted out. Got some pretty cool graffiti here. So yeah, as soon as I can get this taken care of, the better. And maybe I'll stop in somewhere around here. Just keep exploring the city a little bit. It's sunny, it's not raining, so might as well make the most of it. Let's just walk down this street to get back to my hostel. Sidewalks are pretty narrow through here. It's definitely an interesting little town. I would say Penang is about, I don't know, 5-6 times the population of Koh Samui. So it's a much bigger island. Probably roughly the same size as Phuket. And all of these little places around here, like guest houses, hotels, hostels. It's quite a popular place for backpackers as well, because it's not too expensive. I haven't found a place to rent a motorbike around here yet, but I'm only going to be here a few days, so I don't really need a motorbike. Kind of disappointing that Jim's place was closed, but I should have figured, since it is a weekend and I'll just have to go back tomorrow. No big deal. Oh, it's getting pretty hot now. The weather here is quite humid and it just finished raining, so yeah, it's pretty humid right now. This place looks pretty popular. I wonder what they have here. Ice cream? Looks like an ice cream shop. Thanks so much for watching this episode, and just gonna be here a few more days, then I'd catch the next bus back to Surat Thani, and then I'll take the ferry to Koh Samui. I could fly straight back to Koh Samui, but the tickets are quite expensive, like $300 almost, because Bangkok Airways has a monopoly on the island, and they can basically charge whatever they want. So the flights are usually pretty expensive. So I figure, why not make an adventure out of it and take the bus through Malaysia, up through southern Thailand, back to Samui. That's the plan. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Malaysia.